Musamseleku said he can't have a ceremony for Mpilo until they fix their relationship with Makumalo. So if Makumalo can't fix that relationship with the Musamseleku, because the problem is that Musamseleku want Makumalo to accept Makwela. That's why Musamseleku is punishing Mpilo for Makumalo's faults. Why Makumalo doesn't want to accept Makwela, and Makumalo want Musamseleku to have a ceremony for Mpilo. I think Musamseleku have to separate all those things. Musamseleku, when it comes to Makumalo and Mpilo, he want to punish them. Musamseleku support Mpumelelo behind Mayeni's back. Mayeni does not know that Mpumelelo is getting married to Amahle, and at that time Musamseleku and Mayeni, they don't get along, but Musamseleku supporting Mpumelelo on whatever. I think Musamseleku, when it comes to his kids, he have got his best kids, especially Mayeni's kids, Mayeni and Macele's kids. He can do whatever it takes to support them. But when it comes to Makumalo and Mangwabe, especially Makumalo, he want to punish Mpilo through Makumalo's faults. I don't think that it is good. Musamseleku have to separate all those things. He can't involve Mpilo on their issues, what I saw. Musamseleku was supposed to have a ceremony for Mpilo long time ago. Now Mpilo is an adult. Maybe we can hear that Mpilo is getting married. Musamseleku have to be in hurry to have a ceremony for Mpilo, because when Mpilo is getting married and he doesn't have a ceremony for Mpilo, Musamseleku took Mpilo to her mother. Mpilo was still in primary school. Why Musamseleku doesn't have in pressure to change his surname at time. Musamseleku was delaying all the time until Makumalo came in Musamseleku's life. Makumalo was in process to change Mpilo's surname, and it's delaying. And Musamseleku can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. He can't have a wedding with Makumalo. Macele cancel Makumalo's wedding on season 4, because when Makumalo and Musamseleku, they have got a wedding on season 4, I think maybe we can say Mpilo was already have a ceremony, but they delayed it now until Makumalo and Musamseleku, they don't get along. The problem is that Musamseleku want to punish Makumalo because Makumalo doesn't want to accept Makwela through Mpilo. Musamseleku knows that when he punish Makumalo through Mpilo, Makumalo is going to be hurt. But when it comes to other kids, to Mayeni's kids or Macele's kids, even they don't get along with their mothers, but Musamseleku can take whatever it takes to support them. We saw Mayeni, she was complaining about Mpumelelo. Why Musamseleku and Mpumelelo keep a secret to Mayeni? Musamseleku was trying to support his son. He knows that his mother doesn't want Mpumelelo to have many wives, but Musamseleku take a risk. He knows that they are going to fight with Mayeni, but he took a risk to support Mpumelelo. But when it comes to Makumalo, he can give some of excuses that we can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. Imagine, and he was embarrassing Makumalo in front of his wives, or he want to prove Macele that I don't like this one. I don't understand when it comes to Musamseleku when he is seeing Macele, because he can't say those things in front of his wife, that, and he says he want to have a ceremony for Abongwe, for Snare. What he want to prove in front of people? Imagine, guys, when it comes to Makumalo, I can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. That's why Mangwabe doesn't want to have Umembezo with him again. It's the same way Musamseleku was trying to punish Mangwabe. When you think about it, on season 3 or season 4, Mangwabe was asking about Umembezo. Musamseleku says, I can't have Umembezo because you don't listen to me, you don't respect me. Until now, Mangwabe doesn't want to have Umembezo with Musamseleku again, because she saw with Makumalo that Makumalo was very desperate. When Makumalo's Umembezo happened, Makumalo was so desperate. Musamsele who want to be begged with everything.